Good morning. A little after 7 a.m. and looks like the surfers are already out there. Waiting for the right wave. So we got here last night and found out the elevator was broken, and we're on the 5th floor, so we had to hump all our shit up 5 floors. We weren't happy about that. We got really tired, so we got something to eat, came back to the room, watched a little movie, and then turned in. And here we are this morning at the condominium resort. It's pretty nice. We have a pool over here. Probably spend a little time there relaxing and reading. And what I gather is this is like a surfers community. There's a lot of young kids and old retired surfers, but very laid back, and everyone's really nice, like everywhere else we've been. There's some very long, wide, rolling waves here. That would be excellent to learn how to surf on. I don't think I'm going to do that, but I wouldn't mind actually boogie boarding if I get a chance. See how that plays out.